I wonder why. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Thank you for joining us today, Cindy.
Hi, Ed.
Hi. How you doing today?
Oh, very good. It's a really sunny day, really nice.
It's beautiful. Yes, we're
Yeah,
in sunny Birmingham. We're in Alpha Tower on the 21st floor. This is a beautiful office. Where are you based,
I
Cindy?
am based in Buckinghamshire, down southeast of England. So, not
Buckinghamshire, Milton Keynes.
well, actually, no, it's Aylesbury. So we're about 20 minutes away from Milton Keynes,
All
west
right.
west of Milton Keynes. Yeah.
Nice. Down the A5.
Oh, you know your roads, Edward.
I do. I used to have an office in Milton Keynes.
Oh, really? Okay, interesting.
Yes. Yeah.
Right.
Cool. Well, so quick chat. We had our brutal business boot camp on Friday, which was pretty epic. We had our special guest speakers with Theo and with Joe Jar, and we had David Rahman there, and Grant Stain, CEO of Blam, also had his little say. And so we had a few people attend us live, and we are planning to do more of these, by the way. I don't know if I told you. We're probably going to do them quarterly.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so we can do, yeah. So because it does take a bit of organizing, and obviously, organizing it is not just the event. There's before and after, so there's quite a bit to do. But one of the things that we kind of announced at the meeting is that you're going to take away lots and lots and lots of useful business advice. But that's only useful if you implement it. And the reason we're having this chat today, because you took action. So what happened?
Oh, it's just so interesting. As a matter of fact, I was listening to the whole, presentation by the different speakers, and a lot of what they said was not necessarily new, but it
No.
was put in different ways. And what it was I believe it was actually Grant who said something about being at an event where he got an epiphany and left, went straight to the office to implement. I remember him saying that, and I thought, that's interesting. There are lots of different things they're saying that I could do that for now, but I wanted to hear the whole thing. I took some time, to be honest with you. It's something that sank in. I listened to what they were saying. I really wanted to make a change for myself. So it was actually a little bit after the event, not long after. I was just sat in front of my PC, still thinking about the event, about what they said and what it was that hit me. It didn't hit me like a bolt of lightning. It came slowly. And it was not even quite the fact that Grant did what he did, where he left the event to go to implement, but it was something that he was saying when he was doing the A to Z's of business. And he talked
about the dictionary of success.
The dictionary of success, that's it, exactly.
Yeah, and if you're watching this, by the way, and you haven't seen the Brutal Bootcamp, we're going to put a link in the description here. And by the way, please consider liking and sharing this as well. Sorry to interrupt. So you decided to do what? Sorry, this was Friday afternoon, June 11th.
Friday afternoon.
We had the session. The event finished about 5:30-ish.
Yeah, past 5. And I remember I was still sat there for another maybe 10 minutes. And I was like, you know what? And then thoughts, it just gave me, I started to get some clarity. It was like where you have a movie where the TV is clearing up.
Slowing in
slowly. So it was actually after the event where I got this clarity, and I was like, why wait? I mean, I thought I couldn't necessarily catch a lot of businesses. Well, I had a list of businesses that I had wanted to reach. What did I do then? I went straight away and drafted emails, which I sent out that day. I got on the phone and tried calling. I got a few of them, but booked meetings for Saturday. Some of them didn't get back to me right away. On Saturday, I had tons of meetings. To be honest with you, it was just meetings, touch points. I wasn't thinking about it. I just had a faith, just to go ahead. There was no fear. It was just call them.
So you took action, and this is really important. You took action on Friday afternoon when most people decide to down tools, go home for the weekend. You decided to take action, and then what happened? So you've got appointments on Friday, you meet with people, and then what happened?
And then before I go into more of it, I had decided before that I was going to take that weekend off because it was my birthday on Monday. So I was like, I haven't really taken a break. I need a break. But when I saw that, I was like, you know what?
So it was your birthday yesterday?
It was my birthday yesterday.
Oh, congratulations. Sorry about that. I didn't realize.
No, you wouldn't know.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. So I had a change of heart. I mean, it wasn't hard that couldn't wait.
It was your birthday weekend. Come on.
It was my birthday weekend. And so I thought this would be my birthday present. What if who knows what will come out of this? And so I took action, called these people, had appointments about, all in all, from after this Friday, I had, let's say, about 7 appointments. I mean, up to this point, I attended, from Saturday up till today, I've attended 7 appointments after the call. But before that, and in 2 weeks, I had just 4 appointments. So in one evening, the action from that one evening that was targeted and focused got me 7 appointments, when in 2 weeks, I'd actually only attended 4. So it made a difference, the attitude going into it. One other thing that stuck out for me was time. Being brutal from the boot camp, brutal with your time, being very, efficient with your time. So I did a few on the Saturday. I did 1 on Sunday morning. I remember I was up quite early. I don't remember what time, really early. And the appointment, I sent something at 8 o'clock that morning, and I had that meeting at 9:30 in the morning. It was exactly 30 minutes. And then that has led me to something where I'm waiting for a notification, actually. We've sent out a proposal where I should be getting closing some sales here. And then on Monday, I had another 3 appointments.
It's amazing, absolutely incredible. And this is the one thing I wanted to sort of hit home when I did my introduction. You're going to get a lot of information. Most of it will just wash over you. Yeah. Well, you might get excited about it. You might get inspired. Right. But if you can just take away one thing from that meeting and then implement it, you actually start to see the benefit immediately. And you did that. You didn't say, "Oh, we'll wait till Monday. Oh, we'll wait till after my birthday." You took action. You now have appointments. You've got your pipeline built up. You've got a deal in the pipeline ready to go. So there's value there. And it's actually a little known fact. Yeah, just one thing before we sort of close out, because I don't want to keep you too long. I know you're very busy. There's a little known fact that Friday afternoon is a great time for prospecting. You know why?
Tell me.
Because most salespeople, their mentality is, most people knock off at 12 o'clock on Friday. Ooh. Yeah, so they don't bother making the phone calls, right? But if you then persist and be ruthless, and keep going after 5:30, keep going into the evening, right? You're catching people. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm just on my way out the door. Just quickly, while I've got you, I've got some time in my diary tomorrow. What about it?
Exactly.
Right? And
exactly.
That's the key difference. That's the key difference. So congratulations. Well done for taking action. And thank you very much for this very, very short, Brutal Bootcamp catch up. We will be doing another one. It'll probably be in September, and hopefully it'll be in San Diego.
Oh, that would be amazing. Hope to be there.
Yeah, so just a quick notification as well. The super early bird tickets have been extended to the 1st of July. Okay, so together with our discount, yeah, you can still get a VIP ticket for the standard price. So that's which is about a $2,500 discount.
Oh, that's amazing.
So Paula, just drop that in.
Yeah, that's fine. There was one more thing I was just going to say also, because I have gotten inspired by a lot of things you've said, Edward. And a lot of those things, like I said, nothing was new, but it just gave clarity to a lot of what I had actually heard before. It was as if the pieces just finally started to move. And I can tell you that over that weekend, I actually couldn't give a toss what whoever I called thought about me. I'm like, what? Who are they? It just was different. And also,
don't think about it, just do it.
Just honestly, I've heard that a million times, but it was just different. It just sank in somehow.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that, because even after this, once we stop recording, this goes off, you can pick up the phone and start calling people. It doesn't matter.
Oh, I have emails to send, yes, and calls to make. Right.
Thank you, Cindy. Cindy is a Blam partner. She runs a business called Pavilion Plus. Go to pavilionplus.com to find out more. If you want to buy a website, a mobile app, a digital marketing service, SEO, PPC, social media marketing, Cindy is in the house. Cindy,
thank you, Ed.
Thank you very much. Bye for now.
Nice talking to you. Bye.
Bye.
He has left. Oh, rude.